With God, nothing is beyond repair. When I was in my early 30s, I took the risk of starting a business. Unfortunately, after a few years, we ran into a financial mess. Madaming factors, which I will share with you down the road, so keep coming back to this page, please. Fast forward to late 30s, no wedding in sight. Baka di naman magkaanak if ever magkapag-asawa pa. I thought my life was beyond repair. But in my lowest moment, I prayed, Lord, hindi ko na talaga kaya to. And He heard me. He gave me wisdom to start fresh, strength to keep going, and doors opened that I never expected. I got married shortly before I turned 38 and got pregnant at 42. I stand here today as a living proof that no situation is too broken for God to restore. So if you're feeling lost, don't give up. Cry out to God, because with Him, nothing is beyond repair.